IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. What is your dream house? Band 5. Answer.
My dream house is a big house with many rooms. It is near the beach and has a garden. I like it because it is quiet and beautiful.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence, simple ideas, limited development. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, big, nice, beautiful. Grammar, mostly correct but very simple structures. Pronunciation, generally clear, limited range. Typical of a Band 5, safe, short, and a bit boring. Band 7.5 Answer. Fluency and coherence, smooth, well-organized response. Lexical resource, good range. Natural light, practical. Grammar, variety of accurate sentence structures. Pronunciation, clear with natural rhythm. Typical of a Band 7.5, confident, descriptive, and well-balanced. Why is this a Band 7.5?
My dream house would be a minimalist home overlooking the sea, designed to blend into the natural environment. It would be spacious, but not flashy, and filled with light, quiet, and just enough technology to make life comfortable without being distracting.
Band 9 Answer. Fluency and coherence, effortless and sophisticated. Lexical resource, precise and nuanced. Blend, flashy, distracting. Grammar, wide range used naturally and accurately. Pronunciation, fully natural and expressive. Typical of a Band 9. Sounds like a real person who reads. Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and sophisticated. Lexical resource, precise and nuanced. Blend, flashy, distracting. Grammar, wide range used naturally and accurately. Pronunciation, fully natural and expressive. Typical of a Band 9. Sounds like a real person who reads. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.